gotta move on. You should do featuring Hannah Wilson.
We have an intruder, so just as soon as she leaves, we can get started. What's up, guys? It's your girl Chocolate Girls, also known as Amaria Lisa on Instagram and Twitter. And today's video is going to be my natural hair routine. I did a poll on Instagram asking if I should do a video on my natural hair routine or journey, and my hair routine won, so this is what I'm going to be recording today. This is more so a conversation kind of. I'm just going to tell you guys what I do to my hair on a weekly basis, what my routine is like, what products, not so much what products I use because I already did that video of my top 10 products. So if you want to know what I'm using to do this routine, go ahead and check out that video. But this is just basically the things I do on a weekly, monthly, whatever basis. If you're one of my new subscribers, go ahead and click that button now. I'm calling you a subscriber already because that's what you're about to do right now. And if you're one of my welcoming subscribers, what's up, guys? I know you guys have been waiting on this video for a while now. I try and give you a glimpse of what I do for my routine in each and every one of my videos, but I'm just gonna go ahead and cover all of the basics right now in one video, so I hope you guys enjoy. So first things first.
First of all, first of all.
Look, before you even watch this video, I'm going to stress to you all that you have to be willing to take care of your hair and learn how to take care of your hair. That's step one. Like, you have to be willing to do the things that is necessary to have healthy hair and to help your hair grow. Because everyone always wants to know, what do I do? Why does my hair look like this and this and that? But when it's time to actually do the work, no one wants to do it. So I mean, like, both of them do not correlate. If you really want to have healthy hair, if you want to have long hair, if you want your hair to grow, if you want to see the results, you have to put in the time. That's step one. Period. Okay, so I'm gonna go over the basics: shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, all of that. So with shampoo, I only shampoo my hair maybe once a month, or when I have a lot of product build up in my hair. Like if I just have a whole bunch of gel and all that other stuff in my hair, I'm gonna wash my hair to remove it. A lot of times I can get majority of the things out with water. I just don't think shampooing is super necessary because a lot of shampoos kind of strip your hair of the oils and everything else that's necessary for hair growth. I feel like moisture is more important. If I am wearing my hair, I am going to deep condition my hair once a week. I'm going to try my best to do that deep conditioner once a week. And when I deep condition, I like to detangle my hair. I only detangle my hair if I have deep conditioner in my hair, nothing else, or a regular conditioner, something that's going to give me the slip that I need to comb through my hair and have minimal breakage. So after I detangle my hair with my deep conditioner, what I will always do is put on a shower cap, put on a plastic bag, put on something that will allow my hair to generate heat, and then I will let it sit for just 1 hour at minimum. Because when I let my deep conditioner sit, especially if it's a really good one, my hair is going to be super soft by the time I take that plastic cap or whatever I have on. My curl pattern is just going to be 10 times better than it was before. I got softer. It's super manageable at this point. Like, deep conditioning my hair is my first love, and that is something that I do recommend to everyone who is natural. So try and deep condition your hair once a week. If you do not wear your hair often, deep condition every time you are having your hair out, every time you switch between hairstyles. Deep condition your hair. I don't think y'all understand, like, the way my hair feels after deep condition is the reason why I continue to do it every week when I am wearing my hair. So with regular conditioner, I don't use regular conditioner often. The only time I will use a regular conditioner is when I am doing the full-blown wash day, and that is when I am also shampooing, which I told you guys I only do once a month. So that is when I'll do a shampoo, a conditioner, and then a deep conditioner. So I think it's very important to style your hair when you are wearing it. Do a twist out, do a braid out, put some braids in it, do something, do a style, because it just allows me to kind of leave my hair alone for a few days. You don't want to manipulate your hair on a daily basis. You don't want to mess with it, comb and do that on a daily basis. You kind of want to leave it alone. So if you go ahead and style it on wash day, that gives you a full week to wear your hair, and then you don't have to worry about it until the next wash day. So my go-to styles are twist outs and yeah, or wash and goes. I love my wash and goes too. And what I'll do is do a leave-in conditioner, a curl cream, and then an oil if I'm doing a twist out. Or if I'm doing a wash and go, I'm probably gonna do a leave-in, a curl cream, and a gel. Do it in this order. Leave-in conditioner, because that's just like, it's a conditioner that you can leave in your hair. You don't want to leave regular conditioner in. Just how regular conditioner kind of gives your hair that soft feeling and it moisturizes it and everything like that. That's basically what a leave-in conditioner is. And then a curl cream is what's going to help you have that curl pattern. But the curl cream works best when your hair is already moisturized, which is why I do the leave-in first. After that, I'm going to put my oil on to seal in that moisture from the 2 products I just put in. Last, I'm going to do a gel, because gel does not do anything but define my curls. It does not put in moisture, does not do any of that. Gel really just defines my curls. So that's going to be the absolute last thing I do after moisturizing my strands as much as I possibly can. My twist outs normally last me about like 3-4 days. Wash and goes maybe 3 days. And after those 3 days, what I'll do is just put my hair in a high puff until wash day. I mean, like, once my hair goes into that puff, it's the wrap. Like, no other style is coming out of it. Like, it's gonna stay like that until wash day. And I have a lot of natural friends, so I know that this step is often skipped. If you're watching, yes, I'm talking about you. I know this step is skipped often, but satin caps are like so important. If you're laying down, if you're going to bed, if you just have your head on a pillow, you're going to want to wear a satin cap, because cotton pillows really can strip your hair of a lot of moisture. You may not think it, but all of that oil and all that stuff you put in, half of it's going to be in your pillow if you don't put a satin cap on. Satin caps are really, really good at kind of keeping that moisture locked in, and also it helps to prevent frizz. So wear your satin caps, okay? I wear my satin cap nightly. Another thing that I do within my routine is not put heat in my hair. Like, I rarely put heat in my hair. I haven't put a flat iron to my head in 2 years. The most heat I'm gonna do is a blow dryer. And even when I do use a blow dryer, I try and use it on low heat. When I use a blow dryer, it's because I'm gonna most likely go get my hair done. Like, before I got these braids, you know how they want you to come with your hair straight as possible, all that yada yada yada. I know stylists say like, no oils, no product, no nothing in your hair when you come. But at the end of the day, this is my hair. I have to deal with it on a daily basis. You just have to deal with it for 1 day. So guess what? I moisturize my hair before I blow dry it. Like, I'm not about to blow dry my hair with no product on it, so it could be nice, dry, and ready to fall out by the time I'm done blow drying. It's dead. I'll either use a heat protectant on my hair before I do it. I'll use like a hair butter and some oil or something. Like, I'm not going in on just regular hair with no moisture, no nothing. Like, I'm not applying heat to my hair with no product in it. Like, I just think that's a setup for failure. I could care less about this style. I care about my hair more, so my hair is my priority. So if they mad, they could just be mad. I don't care. Another part of my natural hair journey is clipping. My natural hair routine is clipping my ends. Like, if I see my ends looking raggedy, I'm gonna clip them. If I've had a style in for a long time, I'm gonna clip them just a little bit. Once I take these braids out, I'll most likely trim my ends just a tad bit. I try and do my ends maybe once a month, just something. It doesn't have to be a major drastic change. Just cut something. Like, I feel like my hair grows 10 times faster when I don't have dead ends. Like, once those split ends, those bad ends are gone, like, my hair grows so much faster. Like, those ends are really holding you back from like growing your hair. Like, my hair grew the same length it was before I cut it within a year. My hair was just that length. Like, and since then, like, I'm not scared to cut my hair because it's going to grow back. Like, trimming your ends is not gonna make you bald head. It's actually gonna grow your hair 10 times faster. And always feel free to reach out to me. The reason I started this channel is because I've gotten so many DMs about what am I doing to my hair? How is my hair growing so fast? How did I do my twist out? How did I get my hair to look like this? Like, if I have a style in, what did I do? I've been getting so many questions about my natural hair to the point where I just decided to make a channel because, like, instead of me reiterating the same thing in DMs or in person over and over, I can just say, go watch this video. Oh, hey, I made a video on this. Go check this video out. Like, so, like, if you really want to care for your hair, if you really want it to grow, if you really want it to be healthy, then this is definitely the channel for you. Like, I made these videos to help. Like, I made these videos to inspire others to want to take care of their hair. Like, I make these videos to make others want to go natural. Like, I genuinely care, which is why I make these videos. As if you have any questions, feel free to reach out or comment below. Let me know what you think. And if you aren't already subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button written there. Let me be your guardian hair angel. Your hair guardian angel. So